Good morning, students. I am Rochelle Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is Health is Wealth. Unit 13, Grade 6, Lecture 1. So let's start. Our first word is young. It means نوجوان. Unhappy, ناخوش. Life, زندگی. One day, ایک دن. Sitting, بیٹھے. Grandfather, دادا. Sad, اداس. Replied sadly. اداسی سے جواب دیا. Enough, کافی. Money, پیسہ. Ahmed is a young boy. احمد ایک نوجوان لڑکا ہے. He is unhappy with his life. وہ اپنی زندگی سے ناخوش ہے. One day he was sitting with his grandfather. ایک دن وہ اپنے دادا کے ساتھ بیٹھا تھا. His grandfather asked him. اس کے دادا نے اس سے پوچھا. Grandfather, why are you so sad? دادا, تم اتنے اداس کیوں ہو؟ Ahmed replied sadly, we don't have enough money. Ahmed اداسی سے جواب دیا, ہمارے پاس اتنے پیسے نہیں ہیں. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you all had fun learning about Health is Wealth. Unit 13, Grade 6, Lecture 1. Make sure to subscribe our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you at Lecture 2.